Hi, my name is Amir, the story reader. Today we are going to read Pete the Cat, Scaredy-Cat. Phonics, Book 8, Long E by James Dean. In this story, you will read or hear words with the long E vowel sound. Look for these words in the story and sound them out. B, beach, deeper, fields, feet, Pete, scaredy cat, sea, seashells, seas, very, we. Here are some sight words: at, but, by, does, go, his, in, his, is, it, not, the, to, want, will. Here are some fun Pete the Cat words: cat, good, hot, plays, shore, surf. Pete the cat is at the beach, but he will not go in the sea. Pete plays at the beach, but he will not go in the sea. Pete sees his brother surf, but he will not go in the sea. Pete finds seashells by the shore, but he will not go in the sea. Pete is very hot. Pete does not want to be a scaredy cat. He puts his feet in the sea. It feels good. Pete goes deeper and deeper. Pete is in the sea. Whee! The end. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.